In this video, we will look at the issue with Samsung washing machines, specifically the DE error. When starting the washing machine doesn't click, the door doesn't close, and after a minute, it goes into an error. I have a Samsung washing machine, model VF05008NZV, but this applies to many Samsung machines. We turn on the machine and select the wash cycle. The fastest, let's start it up. And the DE error appears. This problem mainly concerns the door lock, which is responsible for keeping it secured in the closed position. It looks like this. I tried to repair it in previous videos. It worked for a while, but then it started malfunctioning again. If this error appears during the wash, you need to drain the water because the level will be above the door, and when you open it, water might spill out. You can drain the water using the lower drain hole or the back drain hose. To access the door lock, you don't need to take the washing machine apart. You just need to open the door and remove the rubber door gasket. Using a flat screwdriver, we pry under the rubber cover to lift the metal seal, which is spring-loaded, and we pull it out. The rubber ring and the metal seal with the spring are completely and thoroughly removed, and are entirely gone. Now let's carefully unscrew the two bolts that hold the lock in place. We slide the gasket and take out the lock. The lock is securely placed in this waterproof cover, ensuring protection and safety. We disconnect the connector. You can see that it got really burnt due to high transitional resistance. Here's the old lock and here's the new one. Let's try to take it out and see what the problem is. Let's unclip the latches. There's a small metal spring here that holds this latch in place, which is part of a mechanism that securely ensures the proper functioning of this particular component in the device or system. In this step, we carefully remove the contact lock by gently releasing it from its position, and then proceed to unclip it with precision, ensuring that all components are handled with care to prevent any damage or misalignment during the process. The latch is around the perimeter. And you can see that the entire contact group is burnt. First of all, this adjustment came loose. There should be a firm fixation with screws or soldering on the package. Fell apart and the mechanism stopped working. In the last video, I repaired this lock. I had soldered it a bit in this spot. You can screw a little screw in here, but everything is very delicate and thin, so I won't struggle with it anymore, and we'll just put in a new lock. It's better to replace this connector, but for now, I'll just lubricate it with WD-40. I'll lightly remove the buildup and soot from it. We're connecting. New lock to the connector. It's hard to mix up the connections here because everything is really straightforward. We're putting the water protection back in place. We insert the lock back into its place, making sure the plastic part comes out here. Now we screw in the two fastening bolts. And we install the rubber seal back in place. Here's the machine assembled. Now we need to check the machine's operation. We close it, turn on the quick wash mode, and let's check. The washing machine is operating normally. The reason for the breakdown and the E1 error was a simple malfunction of the door lock. From personal experience, I can say that if it starts breaking, it's better to replace it with a new one rather than trying to repair it, because everything there is plastic and disposable.